A lot of people say Temu discount codes don't work, but after testing this myself, I realized that's not really the problem. The real issue is one part everyone misses. Before I explain it, I've put the working Temu discount code right here on the screen, and it's also in the description and pinned comment, along with a couple of backup codes Temu is running right now. Now here's what most people do. They find a discount code, paste it somewhere in the app, go to checkout, and when nothing happens, they assume the code is expired. But Temu doesn't work like that. Here's the part everyone misses. A Temu discount code has to be both redeemed and selected. Doing just one of those won't apply the discount. Here's the correct way. Step 1. Click the first link in the description. This connects the discount code to your account. Once the page opens, you'll see a QR code. Step 2. Scan the QR code with your phone to activate the discount. If you're on desktop and can't scan, no problem. You'll also see a code you can enter manually to activate the same offer. Now the discount is added to your account, but it's still not applied yet. That's the part people miss. Step 3. Go shopping like normal and add items to your cart. At checkout, tap available coupons and manually select the discount code you just redeemed. If you don't tap it, Temu ignores the discount completely. I tested this myself. Same items, same code. One time I didn't select it, no discount. Second time I selected it, price dropped instantly. That's the missing step. So if your Temu discount code wasn't working, go back and check if it was actually selected. Try it again using the code on screen. And if your total finally drops, comment how much you saved. I like seeing when it clicks.